Maialen, and the book I chose to read is called The Birds, and the author of this book is Daphne du Maurier, and the publishing house is Penguin Readers. And to sum up, this story focuses on the heroic efforts of a farmer called Nat, and it all starts in December, and Nat notices that there are more birds than usual, and these birds start acting aggressively, and one day they start pecking Nat's eyes, and another day when the birds are more calm, Nat decided to go to his neighbor's house, and he finds his neighbor's bodies mutilated by the birds, and that night birds attacked again. And this story basically focuses on not finding a solution for the birds. And my personal opinion is that I personally think this book is very entertaining and very interesting. And if you are starting to read in English and learn in English, I think this is the perfect choice for you, because the plot is very developed and the language that they use in this book is very appropriate for beginners.